Hello everyone, welcome to Aura Permata. I'm Lestari and I'm excited to share another DIY skincare tutorial with you today. And in this video, we will be making a luxurious emulsifying sugar scrub. Plus, later we will add also like coffee powder and turmeric powder that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. Before we start, a quick note on safety. Please always use personal protective equipment or PPE. This means hand gloves to avoid direct contact with a material, and an apron to protect your clothes. Keep your clothes clean because sometimes when we work with raw material it will be a mess. And a hair cup, like hair cover, to keep the products clean. This step ensure our skincare creation are made in the safe and clean environment possible. So now let's get started. Here I have weighed our ingredient before that we want to use today for these recipes, and for this we will need granulated white sugar. It's for exfoliation, and emulsifying wax. This is to blend the oil and the water, and a nourishing coconut oil and sweet almond oil. This is good for nourishing. And we will have a combination of two butter, cow butter and shea butter. And also, if you like to add mica powder, like natural mica powder, that is optional. So in this recipe today, I'm going to add ground coffee powders and turmeric powders. So we will make two type of emulsifying scrub with a different color, like coffee powder and turmeric powder. So here also I will add like acetyl alcohol. This is good for emollient. That's it. We have the coffee and turmeric powder. So in the end also we will add like active ingredient like vitamin E oil. This for antioxidant, and we will add like Optifin Plus. It's a natural preservative. Emulsifying sugar scrub are fantastic because they combine the exfoliating benefit of sugars and the moisturizing properties of butters and oil. So plus the emulsifying wax help to create a creamy textures and that rinse off cleanly, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth. Prepare the ingredient. I will use glass bowl to melt our ingredient. To begin, we will mix emulsifying wax. We add in the bowl, combine with shea butters, cetyl alcohol, the combination of the oil. Now we will melt our ingredient in the stirring heat plate, or if you don't have a stirring heat plate, you can use a double boiler method. Let's begin. And we will wait until all the ingredient butter, emulsifying wax and cetyl alcohol are melted and combined. Now it's almost completely melt. We give a little bit mix, stir on the bowl. So in this stage we can remove from the heat plate, and then we need to wait the oil till cool down a little bit before we add the active ingredient. And if you like to add a color on your scrub, this is optional. You can add like natural mica powder. You can add on this stage, so you can mix and stir it until all combined before it cool down and add the active ingredient. So today I'm not going to add a natural mica powder. I will wait the oil to cool down a little bit, and later we will add the coffee powder together with the sugar scrub and the turmeric powders. So let it cool down. For faster process, now I will keep this oil in the fridge for a few minutes, and then we'll take out the bag. Then we will keep this in the fridge for a while. Now we will check temperature. So it's 105 Fahrenheit. So it's a good time to add our active ingredient of Different Plus. This is to keep your product long life, like out of cherry and mold, because the scrub you will keep in the shower, so will be contact with water. So mold bacteria is easy to come to the scrub, so you need to add a natural preservative on these recipes. Now we will need 5 grams of natural preservatives of Different Plus. And then we will add our vitamin E oil and we mix until fully combined. And now we will add the essential oil. So today I'm going to use lemongrass essential oil and Bulgarian lavender essential oil. This is very good for relaxing and uplifting scent. And we need 2.5 lemongrass essential oil and 2.5 lavender essential oil. Then mix. I can smell already the essential oil. The combination of lemongrass and lavender essential oil is a good match. And now we will divide this oil to 2 containers. Now slowly we will add the granulated white sugar into the oil, or colorant first, like turmeric powder, the coffee powder in the other container. We mix all together, stirring, and then we will add our granulated sugar little by little. Add more sugar. So now it's full combined, and we wait a little bit more to cool down, and later we will transfer into a glass container. So it's ready to transfer into the container, and this sugar will help to gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cell and leaving it feeling smooth and refreshed. Easy to make the sugar scrub, right? And now we will transfer into the glass container. I have this type of glass container today. One is for coffee and one is for the turmeric scrub. And now let's transfer the emulsifying turmeric sugar scrub to our airtight container. Here you have it, your very own homemade emulsifying sugar scrub. So make sure to label it with a date of creation of any ingredient used, especially if you plan to give it as a gift to your friend or to your families, or store it for a future use. So you can let it cool down until fully set, and you can use it immediately later. And there you have it, your very own homemade emulsifying sugar scrub. So it's ready to use whenever your skin needs a little pampering. You can scoop a little bit and rub it in your hand, your body, your feet. So there you go. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with men who may also want to enjoy making their own skincare product at home. Thank you very much and for joining me on this journey. And I will see you in the next video again. And bye for now.